So I'm going for a walk. This is the back road and the escape route. So it's supposed to come out at a road somewhere. Let's see how long it takes to get there. Hope I don't have to go all the way back the way I came. But if I do, that's it. Then I do. Easy to go downhill on the mountainside. I would have thought it went up over that. The stone wall. I wonder if Stonewall Jackson's name was Stonewall because of the stone wall. Ivy. Wild ivy. Oh, that's not ivy there. That's Virginia creeper, isn't it? I don't know. Well, I guess I'm near their house. So what was here? A vehicle or just a lot of trees over it? Well, I know this is not the driveway to their house. So because of that, I know that there's a road somewhere from their house. But this woods road should come out at the road. Well now, where does it go? Does it go to that house? Or does it turn this way? There's a gate up there. Must be waking the dead over there, you think. way it continues this way. Oh my, that's confusing. I'm gonna go this way. I think this comes around. Well, they must not see many people walking around here. Go home. Hi. Thank heavens. I just came over from the other house through the woods trying to find the road. Well, I'm just trying to make a loop.
Oh, you're just walking?
Just walking.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
Somebody ran out of gas.
No.
All that down there.
Which way is the road?
Huh?
Which way is the road?
We're looking for Pine Grove or
Yeah.
back that way?
Oh, I went the wrong way.
Yeah. You got to go up the hill.
Okay.
When you get to the top, there'll be a road that goes back up that way, and when it goes down that way, just follow it to the hard surface, and the hard surface will take you down to the bridge, not Pine Grove right there.
So I go that way and I turn left at the fork or right?
No, when you get to the top of the hill, follow straight down.
Okay.
The road that goes back up this way, and one that goes to the right. You want to go straight on the
Straight.
hard surface. Don't stay on the that way.
Okay.
The hard surface, you'll see it goes down. There's horses here on the right,
Okay.
and there's just a bank here. I think there's a little rock there with that guy's number on it.
Okay.
Just follow it. Once you get, shut up! Once you get to the top of the hill, you'll see Foxy! Shut up, bitch. And the hard surface there, just follow it on up. Just stay.
Okay. So where did this one go? Just
That, if you go out down there, there's a road that goes down to the lake here in the subdivision, and if you go to the right, it takes you to Elshire Holler Road, and that'll take you out, and you'll come out Elshire Holler, and it'll take you down to Jordan Hall Farms and Tool's Pool.
okay, I'll go the other way.
Yeah, it's
Thank you. Bye-bye. Hey, Foxy. Hello, Foxy. No. Go home. No, you go home. Good.